I'm pleased to have been received by the Governor General this morning. We had very good discussions, and we, I think, concluded an important agreement between Australia and Indonesia, committing ourselves to close cooperation in the defense and security fields, and essentially reaffirming our determination to enhance our friendship and to, as partners, as close neighbors, our determination to maintain the best of relationship in order to enhance and guarantee the security of both our countries. I believe in the good neighbor policy. Good neighbors are essential. Good neighbors will help each other in times of difficulties. And in the Indonesian culture, we have a saying: when we face an emergency, it is our neighbor that will help us. Maybe our relatives will remain far away, but our neighbors are the closest, and only good neighbors will help each other.